Your home could feel almost twice as big in 7 days, but if you do not know these 5 storage tricks, you might be wasting up to half your usable space. Many people over 60 live with crowded rooms and trip hazards simply because no one showed them how to store things smarter. Every extra box on the floor and chair used as a closet may be increasing your fall risk and stress. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to free up at least one full closet's worth of space using 5 simple storage shifts. You will see where space is secretly hiding in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, and hallway, and how to use it without heavy lifting or complicated tools. If you are over 50 and still storing things on the floor, in piles on chairs, or stacked in corners, you might be shrinking your safe walking space by several feet. That cluttered path from your bedroom to the bathroom at night may be the exact spot where many people slip or trip. On top of that, visual clutter makes rooms feel smaller and can raise daily stress every time you walk in. Most homes over 20 years old were never designed for the amount of stuff we own now, so closets and cabinets often stop at shoulder height, leaving a big empty gap above. If your shelves, dressers, or kitchen counters do not reach within about a hand's width of the ceiling, you might be losing an entire extra layer of storage. Here's where it gets really important. If you do not start using vertical zones, you will keep sacrificing your walking space. Take any wall or closet and mentally divide it into 3 zones: floor to knee, knee to shoulder, and shoulder to just below the ceiling. Wait, this next part might save you several square feet in every room. If you do not use the space under and behind your furniture correctly, you are throwing away storage. The area under your bed, sofa, and even some chairs can hold low rolling bins for shoes, blankets, or seasonal clothes, as long as they slide easily and do not create trip edges. Quick question for you: which space feels the most crowded in your home right now? Bedroom, kitchen, living room, or hallway? Type it in the comments, because knowing this helps you decide where to apply these tricks first for the biggest impact. Many people discover that fixing just one overloaded area makes the whole home feel calmer and larger. Most people skip this and regret it later. Ignoring your flat surfaces can secretly shrink your home by several feet of visual space. When every countertop, table, and dresser top is covered, your eye has nowhere to rest, and the room can feel almost half its real size. In one typical 2-bedroom home, simply adding shelf risers in kitchen cabinets and 1 extra closet shelf created enough space to empty 3 large plastic tubs off the floor. Another couple in their late 60s used underbed bins and over-the-door organizers and were able to give away an entire bulky dresser, opening up more walking space around the bed. Here is the part that makes all the difference. If you keep making these storage mistakes, your home may never feel truly spacious or safe. Stuffing heavy items up high where you have to stretch, blocking doorways with coats or bags, and using stairs or hallways as storage can all increase fall risk and make rooms feel tight. If you skip action now, you might still be squeezing past clutter a year from today, even though a few changes this week could open your home up. Choose just one room and apply at least 2 of these ideas today. Add a high shelf or hooks, use under-furniture space wisely, or clear one flat surface by moving items into vertical storage.